Recovery from narcissistic abuse is a challenging journey that requires patience, self-compassion, and a commitment to self-care. The profound impact of such abuse can leave individuals feeling shattered, but by prioritizing their well-being, survivors can embark on a transformative path toward inner healing. This video explores the importance of self-care in the healing process and suggests empowering practices to aid in recovery, emphasizing the significance of prioritizing self-care to rebuild self-esteem. The importance of self-care in the healing process. Survivors of narcissistic abuse often find themselves grappling with emotional and psychological scars that affect every facet of their lives. In this challenging journey, self-care emerges as a crucial tool for healing. It involves intentional actions taken to preserve and enhance one's well-being, providing a foundation for recovery. By prioritizing self-care, survivors can reclaim their sense of self, rebuild their shattered confidence, and foster a renewed connection with their own needs and desires. Self-care practices that aid in recovery. 1. Setting boundaries. Establishing and enforcing healthy boundaries is a fundamental aspect of self-care for survivors of narcissistic abuse. Learning to say no and recognizing the importance of personal limits fosters a sense of control and empowerment. 2. Counseling and therapy. Seeking professional help through counseling or therapy can be a transformative step in the healing process. A trained therapist can provide a safe space for survivors to explore their experiences, process emotions, and develop coping strategies. 3. Mindfulness and meditation. Incorporating mindfulness and meditation practices into daily routines can help survivors stay grounded in the present moment. These techniques encourage self-awareness, reduce anxiety, and promote a sense of inner peace. 4. Journaling. Keeping a journal can be a powerful therapeutic tool for survivors. Writing about their experiences, emotions, and reflections provides an outlet for self-expression and helps make sense of the complex emotions associated with narcissistic abuse. 5. Physical exercise. Engaging in regular physical exercise not only contributes to overall well-being but also helps alleviate stress and anxiety. Activities such as yoga, jogging, or strength training can be empowering and aid in reclaiming a positive relationship with one's body. Prioritizing self-care to rebuild self-esteem. Rebuilding self-esteem is a central aspect of healing from narcissistic abuse. Prioritizing self-care is the cornerstone of this process. By intentionally investing time and energy into activities that promote well-being, survivors can gradually replace the negative beliefs instilled by the abuser with a newfound sense of self-worth. Recognizing and celebrating small achievements, practicing self-compassion, and surrounding oneself with a supportive community are essential elements in the journey toward rebuilding self-esteem. Techniques for healing from trauma. 1. Mind-body connection. Recognizing the intricate connection between the mind and body is crucial for healing. Practices such as yoga, tai chi, or qigong can help survivors reconnect with their bodies, releasing stored trauma and promoting a sense of balance. 2. Artistic expression. Engaging in creative activities, such as painting, writing, or music, can provide a channel for emotional expression. Artistic outlets offer survivors a means to process their experiences and communicate their emotions in a non-verbal manner. 3. Social support. Building a supportive network is vital in the recovery process. Connecting with others who have experienced similar struggles can foster a sense of belonging and understanding. Support groups, both online and offline, offer a valuable space for shared experiences and collective healing. The journey of recovery from narcissistic abuse is a profound exploration of self-discovery and healing. By recognizing the importance of self-care, survivors can take significant strides toward reclaiming their lives and rebuilding their self-esteem. Through practices such as setting boundaries, seeking professional help, and engaging in mindfulness, survivors can foster a nurturing environment for their healing journey. The path to inner healing is not linear, but with self-compassion and perseverance, survivors can emerge stronger, more resilient, and with a renewed sense of self-worth. Thanks for watching this video. Also visit our website www.unmaskingnarcissism.com. There you can also download a free ebook with 10 tips for recovery after narcissistic abuse. Subscribe also to this channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss our next video.